Good morning, this is Kavipriya, Assistant Professor, EC Department. I am going to deliver a topic piezoelectric transducer, which is a type of variable capacitive transducer. So, a piezoelectric transducer, we also call it as a piezoelectric sensor. It is a device which is that uses a working principle called piezoelectric effect to measure the changes in the acceleration, pressure, strain, temperature or force by converting this energy into an electric charge. So a transducer can be anything which converts a one form of energy to other form. So piezoelectric material is one kind of transducer. So when we squeeze this piezoelectric material or apply any force or pressure on it, the transducer converts this energy into a voltage. So the voltage is a function of a force or pressure that is applied on the particular piezoelectric material. The electric voltage produced by the piezoelectric transducer can be measured by the voltage measuring instrument. Since voltage will be a function of force or pressure applied to it, we can infer that the force or pressure by the voltage reading instrument, we can determine what is the pressure that is applied on the piezoelectric material. So, in this way, the physical quantities like mechanical stress or force can be measured directly using this piezoelectric transducer. So, this is a diagrammatic representation of the working principle of piezoelectric effect. So, when a force or a stress is applied on the piezoelectric material, which is using this transducer, the force or stress is converted to the voltage, which is read by the voltmeter. So, a piezoelectric transducer consists of a quartz crystal. The quartz crystal has a unique property of generating the electric polarity when a mechanical stress applied on it along a certain plane. So, basically there are two types of stress. One is a compressive stress and other is a tensile stress. So the diagram indicates a stress that is applied on the piezoelectric material. So when it is unstressed, when a quartz crystal is unstressed, no charges will be induced. When a compressive stress is applied on the quartz crystal, charges will be induced in one way. One side will be positive and other side will be negative. When a tensile stress is applied on the piezoelectric material, the charges will be induced in the opposite way. Like in case of compressive stress, the charges will be induced in opposite way of the compressive stress. So when there is an unstressed quartz, no charges will be induced on it. In case of compressive, the positive charges will be induced on one side and negative will be induced in the opposite side. The crystal will get thinner and longer due to compressive stress. In case of tensile, charges will be induced in reverse way as compared to the compressive stress. The quartz crystal gets shorter and fatter. So a piezoelectric transducer is based on the principle of piezoelectric effect. So the word piezoelectric is derived from the Greek word piezon, which means to stress or quiz. The piezoelectric effect states that when a mechanical stress or force is applied on the quartz crystal, it will be producing the electrical charges on the quartz crystal surface. So it is discovered by the person called Pierre and Jacques Curie. And next is applications of a piezoelectric transducer. It is used in microphones where the sound pressure is converted into an electrical signal and this signal is ultimately amplified to produce a louder sound. In case of automobile seat belts, lock in response to a rapid deceleration is also done using a piezoelectric material. It is used in medical diagnosis and it is used in electric lighter, which is used in the kitchens. The pressure made on the piezoelectric sensor creates an electrical signal which ultimately causes the flash to fire up. They are used for studying the high-speed shock waves and blast waves. It is used in infertility treatment and it is used in inkjet printers. It is also used in restaurants or airports where a person, when they step near the door automatically gets open. So when a person steps near the door, the pressure will be exerted. So door pressure is exerted when a person based on the weight and the sensor to which electrical effect is produced and the door opens automatically. And next is the advantages and drawbacks of piezoelectric transducer. The advantage is that no need for an external force and it is very easier to handle and we can use it as a small dimension. And the high frequency response, it means that parameters change very rapidly. The drawback is that it is not suitable for measurement in static condition. and it is easily affected by the temperatures. The output is low, so some external circuit is essential for amplification of the output, and it is very difficult to give a desired shape to this material and also to give a desired strength to this material. So that's all about the construction, working principle, applications, advantages and drawback of piezoelectric transducer. Thank you.